ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरु साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
लोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
सूत्रविदो विदुः।
ऐवन्न ऋलक् एओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् लण् न्यामाङ्गणम् जभै गढधश् जपगढधश् खफचठथ चटतौ कपै चषसर् हल् माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि अकुकविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः सुयशानां तालु ऋतुरषाणां मूर्धा तुलसानां दन्ताः पूपूपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ न्यामाङ्गण्णानां नासिका च एदैतो गो कण्ठतालु ओदौ तो गो कण्ठ ओष्ठम् बकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम् जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूल्यस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते
विजयते
राम रमेशं
रमेशं
भजे
भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिहतनिशाचरचमुः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्ति
परायणं
परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे ओ राम मामुद्धरा
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे ओ राम मामुद्धर
We will read from Rashtriya Sanskrit Sansthan, and after that we can read from Infant Reader. All simple abhyasa, sulabha abhyasa. Manjula, patatu. Jnanena patantu. Okay. Asi, asiti iti kim? Asi. क्रियापदं वा नामपदं वा असि?
क्रियापदं
क्रियापदं. क्रियापदं कः पुरुषः किं वचनं?
मध्यमपुरुषः असि एकवचनं स्थः द्विवचनं स्था बहुवचनं
बहुवचनं.
ध्यानेन पठन्तु
ध्यानेन पठन्तु. I think up to this we have seen. Okay. Long back. Okay, now then. भवती जानाति एव युष्मत् शब्दः तकारान्तः तकारान्तः युष्मत् शब्दः त्रिषु समानरूपः भवति. सो त्वं युवां यूयं विनो जानीमः एव त्वं युवां यूयं. देन् पठतु अनन्तरं त्वं
छात्रः असि.
त्वं पदस्य का विभक्तिः किं वचनं? त्वं पदस्य विभक्तिः का किं वचनं? Not a difficult question.
एकवचनं मध्यमपुरुषः.
का विभक्तिः?
प्रथमा विभक्ति.
प्रथमा विभक्तिः एकवचनं 1-1. छात्रः पदस्य
प्रथमा विभक्ति
छात्रपदस्य का विभक्तिः किं वचनं? प्रथमा विभक्ति
एकवचनं.
एकवचनं. त्वं प्रथमा विभक्तिः एकवचनं. छात्रः अपि प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं. तयोः सम्बन्धः कः सम्बन्धः?
तिङ् समानाधिकरणं.
कुत्र अस्ति तिङ्? अत्र असि इस् डिफरेंट. लीव दैट. त्वं पदमस्ति, छात्रः इति पदमस्ति. तयोः पदयोः कः सम्बन्धः?
बोथ आर प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं.
Therefore, what is the sambandha? Understand the question. Understand the question?
Is a noun.
Visheshana Vishesha Sambandha. Okay. Tvam Chatraha Asi. You are a student. But here it is, you can take it as subjective complement, not Visheshana.
Okay.
You are a student. Who are you? I am a student. Tvam Chatraha Asi. Right?
Yes.
Therefore, it is subjective complement. Okay. Yadi Tvam Krishnah Chatraha, suppose if I say. You are a black student. Huh? I don't have any race or discrimination, just for example's sake. Okay. Tum Krishnaha Chatraha. That Krishnaha, black, that is adjective, Visheshana to Chatraha. Here it is subjective complement. You are defined as what? I am a student. So between you and the subjective complement, you will see in English, is, was, or, etc. would be there. That is called subjective complement. You are a student. I am a hero. I am a soldier. This is subjective complement. Anyway, you can note that. Okay, Patatu.
Yuvam chatrau staha. Dvivachanam.
That's why Shabda is important. Tom yuvam yuyam, chatraha chatru, chatraha, then asistaha, staha, asistaha, sta. So this is how you have to fit it. That's why this Samskrita Bhasha is useful for computer programming. You have to place it appropriately. You get the word, right? Then, please read, continue.
Tvam balakaha asi. Yuvam balakau staha. Yuyam balakaha sta.
Yes. We don't need any explanation. You understand. Continue.
Tvam chatra asi. This is Strilinga. Chatra.
Tvam continues to be tvam. Kimartam tvam eva bhavati. Kimartam tvam. Purnapi tvam. Atrapi tvam eva. Kimartam.
Yeah, Madhyama Purusha, all the for all.
Samana rupaha bhavati.
Trishu lingeshu samana rupaha.
That is the answer. I asked what the tvam was before. That is chatraha. When you say chatraha tvam. Now you say chatra, then also tvam. How it is tvam? Because it is samana rupaha. That's what we define in the beginning. Dakarantaha yushmad shabdaha trishulingeshu
samana
rupaha. Just now we read, right? As I told you just now. Samana rupaha. Therefore, tvam chatra. Tvam chatraha. The tvam will remain. From that you cannot know the note. You cannot know the gender of the person. Tvam, when you say,
yes.
You have to tell, okay, how do you know the gender of tvam? Anybody can answer. Katam tvam padasya linga jnanam bhavati. Bhavitum shakyate atva.
By looking at the context.
By the noun, proper noun, what you add to it. By that only you can know. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Chatraha, chatra, all these are no proper, proper noun is something if the word is a proper noun. Tam Ramaha asi, proper noun. Tam Krishnaha asi, proper noun. Tam Krishna asi, that is, Krishna is Strilinga, Draupadi. Then Tvam is Strilinga. Right? So Tvam is, the form is same in all the linga. Therefore, Tvam here it is Strilinga, Tvam Chatra asi. You can say it is Strilinga, nothing wrong in Tvam. Okay, please continue.
Tvam chatra asi, yuvam chatre staha,
yes.
Yuyam chatraha stha.
Here, yuvam chatre is, therefore it has to be Strilinga because Rama Rame Ramaha we know. If it is chatra, then chatraha chatrau will be there. So chatrau, if it is there, then yuvam is pullinga, chatre is there, therefore it is Strilinga. Therefore, from the subjective complement here in the sentence, from that we can know the gender of the padam from yes. Now, Jyotiji, please continue. Abhyasa 58. Ashtapanchashat. Ashtapanchashat or Ashtapanchashat? 58. Panchashat is 50. Okay, I will teach you the numbers later. Yes.
उदाहरणानुसारं व्याख्यानि लिखन्तु.
वाक्यानि लिखन्तु. अस्मिन् okay, अस्मिन् वाक्ये क्रियापदम् अस्ति वा?
लिखन्तु is the क्रियापदम्.
लिखन्तु, very good. लिखन्तु is the क्रियापदम्. कः अर्थः? लिखन्तु.
आदेशार्थः.
प्रार्थना अथवा आज्ञा. Yes. May you write. Okay. के लिखन्तु?
वयं लिखन्तु. For the question it is यूयम लिखन्तु.
If it is UM, then it should be likatha. But likantu asti atra. Likantu tu pratama purusha bhagavachanam.
So that is in for Ajna or this thing. This is the whole.
That is with respect. Right? Bhavantaha likantu atava bhavatyaha likantu. With respect. With respect, when we say that we'll use the kriya padam of pratama purusha only. So we have to understand the context. If it is only male, then bhavantaha likantu, may you, with respect, may you all write. Or if it is female, bhavatyaha likantu iti. Okay, likantu is pratama purusha, but it is with respect. Okay, that is the subject. Subject is either bhavantaha or bhavatyaha. Idani. Then vakyani.
Vakyani is vakya shabda bahuvachanam.
Vakya shabda bahuvachanam ka vibhaktihi.
Prathama vibhakti.
Oh, pratama. If it is pratama vibhakti.
No, it is dvitiya vibhakti.
Pratama vibhakti. What will be in pratama vibhakti? Karta will be in pratama vibhakti. In kartari prayoga, in active voice. Karta will be in kartari prayoga. Karma will be in what vibhakti?
Dvitiya vibhakti.
Here is karma. Okay. Otherwise, what will happen? Vakyani likantu means vakya will write.
Yes.
Problem. You please write this sentence. That's the meaning. So vakyani is karma. Okay. Yes. Please read. Continue.
Tvam dhanikah asi yuvam dhanikau stha yuyam dhanikah stha. So asi
dhanikah. Dhanika shabdasya kaha artah? Dhanika.
Rich man.
Yasya dhanam asti.
Yasya dhanam asti.
Saha dhanikah dhanavan. Right? Dhanikah atava dhanavan. Dhanam asti. Yata bhalam asti bhalavan bhavati. Tadvat dhanam asti dhanavan. Dhanavan, balavan, buddhiman. Right? Dhiman. Dhi also buddhi. So dhanikaha, rich man. If slowly you develop, start speaking like that. Okay. So dhanikaha, rich man. Dhanavan. Okay. Dhanika, strilinga, rich woman. So dhanika is akarantaha pullingaha. Rama shabdavat bhavati. Dhanikaha, dhaniko, dhanikaha. Into dhanavan. Dhanavan shabdaha tu takaranta shabdaha dhanavat shabdaha. So dhanavan, dhanavanto, dhanavantaha, dhanavanto, dhanavataha. Tadrupam api jnatobhyam. Tatu halanta shabdaha. Padishyamaha anantara. Okay. Patatu. Continue.
Tvam viraha asi युवाम वीरौ स्थः यूयम वीराः स्थ.
Yes.
वीर शब्द राम शब्दवत्.
Veera shabda. Okay. Then tvam veeraha asi, tvam chatraha asi. All these are subjective complement. Please note. Tvam dhanikaha asi, subjective complement. Okay. Continue.
Tvam amba asi युवाम अम्बे स्थः यूयम अम्बाः स्थ. Tvam bhagini asi yuvam bhaginyau stha yuyam bhaginyah stha.
Bhaginyah stha. Yes.
Tvam putraha asi yuvam putrau stha yuyam putraha stha.
Yes.
Tvam priyaha asi yuvam priyau stha yuyam priyaha stha.
Yes. Priyaha. Lingava, strilingava, napumsakalingava. Priyaha shabdaha.
Pullingaha.
Pullingaha. Yes. No doubt. Okay. Yes. Then. Next one.
Tvam nartaki asi yuvam nartakyau stha yuyam nartakya stha.
Yes.
Tvam putri asi yuvam putriyau stha yuyam putriyah stha.
Yes. ईकारान्तः
नदी शब्दवत्
नदी शब्दवत् भवति. पुत्री पुत्र्यौ पुत्र्यः.
पुत्र्यः. त्वं सुन्दरी असि युवां सुन्दर्यौस्थ्यः यूयं सुन्दर्यः स्थ. त्वं चतुरः असि युवां चतुरौस्थः यूयं चतुराः स्थ.
चतुरः कः अर्थः? चतुरः
चतुरः स्मार्ट कन्निंग
Wise.
Comedian.
Wise.
Wise.
wise intelligent.
Intelligent.
It is intelligent. Okay, next person. Next person is next person. Chat box. What is a chat box? Kausalya ji. अभ्यासः 59 Please read.
उदाहरणानुगुणं द्विवचन बहुवचन द्विवचन बहुवचन रूपाणि लिखन्तु.
Yes.
त्वं छात्रः असि युवां छात्रौ स्तः यूयं छात्राः स्त. त्वं पठसि युवां पठतः यूयं पठथ. त्वं लेखकः असि युवां लेखकौ स्तः यूयं लेखकः स्त.
लेखकः किमर्थः? लेखकः पदस्य
रैटर्.
रैटर् स्त्रीलिङ्गे
पुल्लिङ्गः.
स्त्रीलिङ्गे स्त्रीलिङ्गे कथं भवति? रैटर्
लेखकः.
लेखिका
लेखिका सोरि लेखिका लेखिके लेखिकाः.
Yes.
त्वं लिखसि युवां लिखतः यूयं लिखत. त्वं ईश्वरः असि युवां ईश्वरौ स्तः यूयं ईश्वराः स्त. त्वं रक्षसि युवां रक्षत यूयं रक्षथ. त्वं प्रबुद्धः असि युवां प्रबुद्धौ स्तः यूयं प्रबुद्धाः स्त. त्वं उपदिशसि युवां उपदिशथः यूयं उपदिशथ.
त्वं प्रबुद्धः उपदिशसि. You intelligent. प्रबुद्धः. Buddha is
intelligent.
the one whose buddhi is functional, whose buddhi is active, intelligent. प्रबुद्धः. प्रकर्षेण अस्ति बुद्धिः अस्य. सः प्रबुद्धः. प्रबुद्धानन्दा. Swami is the name. Swami प्रबुद्धानन्दा. उपदिशसि. उपदिशसि क्रियापदम. दिश धातु. उप is उपसर्ग. उपपूर्वक उपसर्ग पूर्वक दिश धातुः. तयोः तस्य मध्यमपुरुष एकवचनरूपम् उपदिशसि. दिश धातु. Dish means to direct. With upasarga, the directing by words. That's why it becomes instruction. Okay. Yes. I forgot to ask, what is the dhatu of asi, asti, asita, asta? What is dhatu? What is the dhatu? Anybody?
Asdhatu.
Asdhatu. Asdhatu, right? What is dhatu? Okay, basic question again.
Verb.
verb base.
Verb base.
Verbal root. Dadati. Dadati poshati iti dhatu. That which nourishes. What does it nourish? It nourishes the language. That is why it's got dadati. That which nourishes, that which sustains the language. The whole language is dependent on dhatus. There are 2000 dhatus divided into 10 conjugations, 10 groups. That in the grammar class we will see. They're supposed to have every alternate week grammar class. I have not done for the last few classes. Grammar class, slowly I will introduce how these dhatus are divided into 10 groups. What are the similarity in the dhatus, how the Kriya Padams are derived, different lakaras are derived, all these things we have to see. You'll see that. So, 10,000, sorry, 2,000 dhatus are there. These are the backbone. These are, without this language is not there. That is the backbone of the language. On that only this language is built up. So therefore, dadati poshati. Dhatuhu. Dhatu has got many meanings. Sapta dhatu is there in the shareeram, body also. That is Ayurvedic. They say Sapta dhatu. That is different. That dhatu means minerals. Here dhatu is verbal root. Okay. Please read. Continue.
Tvam janani asi yuvam jananyau stha यूयं जनन्यः स्थ त्वं पालयसि युवां पालयथः यूयं पालयथ
त्वं जननी मां पालयसि you the mother protects me. Okay, the next one.
त्वं धनिकः असि युवां धनिकौ स्तः यूयं धनिकाः स्त त्वं यच्छसि युवां यच्छतः यूयं यच्छथ
अत्रापि कः धातुः
यच् धातु
H dhatu. But really speaking, the dhatu is yam dhatu. We will talk about that again in the grammar class. The yam will become yach. Yatha gam will become gach. Gam is a dhatu that becomes gach, gachati, gachata, gachati. Gamlu, in fact, the dhatu is gamlu. Aupadeshika dhatu. In the dhatu pata written by Panini Maharishi, the dhatu is gamlu. Anyway, that and all we don't have to go now. But we say gach, gach dhatu, it's okay to say that. Nothing wrong in that. But originally it is gamlu, and gamlu becomes gum, and from gum only gach has come. So all these are grammar. So h dhatu we can say, nothing wrong. What is there? Can you tell another dhatu? Anya tasmin arte eva gopi dhatu asti asti kashchit dhatu kapi asti. Tasmin arte eva yachasi.
Dadati.
Dadati, dadatu, dadati, dadataha, dadati, da to give, yach to give. Samana artho, bhavataha. Then Abhyasa 60. Anupamaji, sorry. I didn't see your name. Please read.
उदाहरणानुसारं वाक्यानि लिखन्तु त्वं याचकः असि युवां याचकौ स्तः यूयं याचकाः स्त त्वं the one who begs, one who asks
for help. Yachaka from yach dhatu. Yach, yachate, yachete, yachante. Ask. Right? From here, yachakaha. Yes.
त्वं पृच्छसि युवां पृच्छतः यूयं पृच्छत त्वं देवः असि युवां देवौ स्तः यूयं देवाः स्त त्वं
You can combine the two sentences. Tvam devaha rakshasi. You can make it like that.
Okay. त्वं देवः असि त्वं रक्षसि युवां देवौ स्तः.
No. I'm saying the two sentences can be combined and made into one sentence. Tvam devaha rakshasi. Tvam devaha, yuvam devo rakshataha, like that.
Okay. त्वं देवः रक्षसि युवां देवौ रक्षतः यूयं देवाः रक्षथ त्वं कृषकः कर्षसि युवां कृषकौ कर्षतः यूयं कृषकाः कर्षथ त्वं वैद्यः चिकित्ससि युवां वैद्यौ चिकित्सतः यूयं वैद्याः चिकित्सतः
Kit dhatu. Chikitsasi. Chikitsati, chikitsataha, chikitsanti. Kit dhatu. Karshasi triyapadasya dhatuhu kaha.
कृ धातु
Krish dhatu.
Krish dhatu.
Krish will become karsha. That will see how it becomes. Tadvateva rakshasi.
रक्ष
रक्ष धातु रक्ष ओके पठतु
त्वं नर्तकी असि युवां नर्तक्यौ सॉरी त्वं नर्तकी नृत्यसि युवां नर्तक्यौ नृत्यतः यूयं नर्तक्यः यूयं नर्तक्यः नृत्यथ त्वं
नृत्यसि धातु
नृत् धातु
नृत् धातु यस धातु इज औपदेशिक धातुः तु नृति किन्तु नृत् एव भवति नृत् किमर्थं नृत्यसि अत्र पूर्वं कर्षसि कः भेदः नृत्यसि अथवा नृत्यसि कर्षसि तयोः what is the difference between the two
transitive intransitive
no that's okay that is one thing but that is fine that is not the difference I mean we need now as an answer nrityasi or karshasi or rakshasi what's the difference something you see is one letter extra right that
Ya is extra. Yakara is extra.
so from that you can guess what is that guessing I told you something before that
Different gana.
exactly that is what it is different gana different conjugations they belong to different groups so the group and the group a particular group is there in which all the dhatus will have ya as the one pratyaya in between so nritya is a dhatu then ya comes then si nrityasi it's a particular group particular conjugation that is fourth conjugation fourth group so divyati sivyati nrityati many dhatus are there medyati right all the shamyati damyati there on all the dhatus you will see yeah you will see it means they all belong to a particular group of course not palayasi is something different that we have to see the next one is don't think it is that group here something is different okay just making you see okay they are all different conjugations that's right the knowledge of conjugation the groups also important you'll see that in the grammar class yes please read
त्वं जनकः पालयसि युवां जनकौ पालयतः यूयं जनकाः पालयथ त्वं छात्रा पठसि युवां छात्रे पठतः यूयं छात्राः पठथ त्वम् आरक्षकः रक्षसि युवाम् आरक्षकौ रक्षतः यूयम् आरक्षकाः रक्षथ त्वं तन्तुवायः वयसि युवां तन्तुवायौ वयतः यूयं तन्तुवायाः वयथ
तन्तुवायः कः अर्थः तन्तुवायः
weaver
weaver तन्तुवायः weaver तन्तुवायः वयसि is
weaves
Weave.
तन्तुवायः
weaves
weaves okay then next person Anjula ji अभ्यासः का संख्या Anjula ji are you there
Yes, Ji.
yes what is the number
61.
huh
Pancha.
ekashashti 61
Yeah, Ji.
right
Yes, Ji.
okay please read
अभ्यासः एकषष्टि रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयन्तु.
your voice is not audible
Is it okay, Ji, now?
little louder yes
रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयन्तु.
yes
रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति कीजिए. Okay, it is.
that's okay
अहम अध्यापकः. This is उत्तमपुरुषः. प्रथमविभक्ति एकवचनम्. अध्यापकः रामशब्दवत्.
अहम् अध्यापकः dash
अहम अध्यापकः अस्मि.
Agam adhyapakah asmi. You can be little louder, okay?
अहम् अध्यापकः अस्मि.
Now, we can do something more because we know. Adhyapakah asmi. Sandhim krutva vadatu.
अध्यापकः अस्मि. अध्यापकस्मि.
Huh? Adhyapakah plus asmi.
अध्यापकोऽस्मि.
Adhyapakosmi. Ka sandhi. Sorry.
गुणान् पूर्वरूप विसर्गसन्धि विसर्गसन्धि गुणान् पूर्वरूप.
Gunan Pururupa. Adhyapako and Adhyapakosmi. Agamadhyapakosmi. Agam Makara plus Akara becomes Ma. Agamadhyapakosmi. Right?
Yeah, जी.
Okay. We can do apply Sandhi also now in this. Yes, right. The next one.
यूयं वैद्याः त्वं युवं यूयं कदा यूयं वैद्याः सन्ति.
Santi, huh?
No स्तः
Yes. Stha only, not staha. No. That's not be read. That's why Abhyasa, that's why this book is important. Yuyam Vaidyaha Stha. Right? Sandhi. Sandhi. Do the Sandhi.
यूयं.
See, your voice is not audible. Either you come closer or increase your mic volume or come closer to the mic.
यूयं वैद्याः स्तः means यूयं.
You hear me what I'm saying?
Yes जी.
Voice is not audible. Very feeble.
I am not understanding. Did you know?
Yes. Okay. Yeah.
यूयं वैद्याः स्तः. So sandhi is
Okay. Anybody?
So it will become double sakara, Vaidyastha.
Vaidyastha. Sakara will become, Visarga will become Sakara. Yuyam Vaidyastha. That's all.
okay.
If you see the word Yuyam Vaidyastha, what is Vaidyastha? You should not think because Sandhi has happened. You have to see the Stha as a Kriya Padam. Yuyam is the Karta, Madhyama Purusha, Bhagavachanam. I mean, Stha is Madhyama Purusha, Bhagavachanam, and Vaidyaha. Okay, next one.
आवां मित्रे
Do not struggle. Just now you are in all these things. We know very well.
आवां मित्रे स्वा.
Swa.
अस्मि स्मः.
Smaha, really?
Swaha.
Swaha. It is Dvivachanam. Asmi Swaha Smaha. I heard Swa, not Swa. It is Swaha. Visarga should be told. Ava Mitre Swaha. Okay.
Yeah.
Then second line.
Tvam chatraha asi.
Sandhim Krutva.
Tvam chatrasi. Chatrosi.
Tvam Chatrosi. Then next one.
Vayam chatraha. Swaha. Asi.
Immediately you should say Vayam is that and what should come. That is what Abhyasa is. Tvam means Asi. Agam means Asmi. Ava means Swaha. Vayam is
Smaha.
Smaha. What's the difficulty? What's Sandhi now?
Vayam chatraha sma.
Not Sma.
Chatra sma.
It is Sma.
Chatraha.
Is it Sma?
Vayam.
Smaha. Visarga is don't drop the Visarga.
Okay, ji, okay.
Vayam Chatra Smaha.
Yeah, ji.
Next one.
Yuvam chatre haha.
Huh?
Staha.
Yuvam Chatre Staha. Okay. Next one.
अहं वैद्यः
Taking lot of time, no? A simple thing. Yes.
अहं वैद्यः अस्मि
Sandhi.
अहं वैद्योऽस्मि
Vaidhyosmi. Sandhi and all I spent a lot of time, more than 50, 60 classes. Sandhi alone did. So joint tells, Agam Vaidhyosmi. Immediately I should be able to say that. Next one.
वयं राजपुत्राः स्मः ते कन्ये सन्ति ते
Sandhi.
कन्ये सन्ति
Yeah, the time gap is there. That is why this book is important. To reduce the time, you should be able to recollect and say, Astecha Santi. Te is Pratham Purusha. Therefore, Te Santi.
yeah.
But it is Santi. Think and tell me. Because the word Kanye is there. Therefore, is it Santi? Te is there, you can put Santi. But what about the word Kanye? That tells you something different.
कन्या कन्ये कन्ये
But Manjula, you are struggling so much.
द्विवचनम् only
Yeah, therefore, how can you say Santi?
स्तः
Asti Staha. It is Kanye, Kanya, Kanye. Therefore, Saha is Sate, Srilinga. Those two are girls. Te Kanye, Staha, not Santi. You are seeing only Te. What about Kanye? You have to see Kanye also. Te Kanye, Staha. Okay, next one. Jyotiji.
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah, Sandhi.
From
Tell the Sandhi and then tell the form. Okay.
त्वं रुग्णः असि त्वं रुग्णौसि
The,
ताः बालिकाः अस्ति
Asti.
ताः बालिकाः सन्ति
So, okay, please do Sandhi.
ताः बालिकाः सन्ति
What about Taha Balikaha? Sandhi will not happen between them.
ता- Hmm. I don't recollect, Guruji.
Anybody? Anybody in the group? Nobody, huh?
becomes yakara and then
Lopa
Very
yakara
good.
lopa.
That's it. Yes. Therefore, what will Sandhi?
ता बालिकाः सन्ति
Yes. Ta Balika Santi. Remember, Visarga, when preceded by Akara or Akara and followed by Hush letter, that the Visarga will become, I mean, not Visarga exactly, it is Nu. We know, we have seen that. It will become Yakara and Yakara will become Lopaha mandatorily because followed by a consonant. Therefore, Ta Balika Santi. When Ta is there, you have to understand, Visarga is there. It has disappeared because of Sandhi Niyama. Okay, continue.
तौ बालौ स्तः
What Sandhi? Is there any Sandhi?
तौ बालौ स्तः There is no सन्धि
No Sandhi. Continue.
अहं सेवकः अस्मि अहं सेवकोऽस्मि
Yes.
यूयम् अर्चकाः स्तः so यूयम् अर्चकास्तः
Archakasta. Okay.
एतौ नृपौ स्तः
Yes.
अहं छात्रा अस्मि अहं छात्रास्मि
What Sandhi?
सवर्ण दीर्घ
Good.
ताः महिलाः सन्ति ताः ता महिलाः सन्ति
Yes.
तौ सचिवौ स्तः
Next person. Anupama. Three. Next to three. You don't have to do Sandhi. You don't know. It's okay. You can just tell the Kriya Padam. Sandhi is others will do. I'll ask others. Yeah.
त्वं सेवकः असि ते धनिकाः सन्ति एतौ वानरौ स्तः
Tom Sevakaha Asi. What Sandhi will happen? Others.
विसर्ग पूर्वरूप
So what the form? Sevakaha plus Asi.
त्वं सेवकोऽसि
Tom Sevakosi. Similarly, Te Dhanikaha Santi. What Sandhi?
ये धनिकाः सन्ति.
धनिकाः सन्ति.
Okay. Yes. Next one. Continue.
अहम् अध्यापिका अस्मि. एते अध्यापकाः स्तः. आवां
Think, why you say staha?
Oh, santi. Okay. So this is adhyapaka.
Adhyapika is teacher,
Yes.
female teacher. Adhyapakaha Bhagavachanam. Ramaha, Ramaha. So yete is a yeshaha, yeto, yete, that also you know it. Bhagavachanam. Pullinga, etat shabda. So yete adhyapakaha santi. If it is Strilinga, suppose yete Strilinga, then adhyapike staha would be there.
Staha.
Yes. Continue.
Avam dhanikau swaha.
Okay.
Here aham adhyapika asmi. Adhyapika asmi.
Yeah, that is, yes. 7.
That is the only sandhi I know, Guruji.
Very good. It's okay. 7
other.
A plus A. Okay. You continue. Number 9.
Aham vrittah asmi. Etaha balikaha santi. Yuvam shramikau staha.
Continue.
Tvam dhanikah asi. Vayam shramikaha smaha. Te pushpe
That's interesting. Pushpe.
te pushpe staha.
Yes. Good. How do you know it is taha?
Pushpam pushpe pushpan.
Very good. Yes. Continue.
Aham nirthanah asmi. Yuyam sajjanaha stha. Yete lekhanyau staha.
Adhyapika, right? Number 11.
Adhyapika. Okay. Ete adhyapike staha.
Te adhyapike
staha.
Te adhyapike staha.
Staha.
This is dvivachanam. Adhyapike, adhyapika, adhyapike. Okay, number 12.
Aham chatrah asmi. Te आरक्षकाः स्तः. एते लेखन्यौ
सह तौसे आरक्षकः आरक्षकाः
सन्ति. ओके. ते आरक्षकाः सन्ति. एते लेखन्यौ स्तः.
Yes.
अहं भवतः अस्मि. ताः गृहिण्यः
Not bhavatah, it is bhaktah.
Oh, okay, sorry. Aham bhaktah asmi. Taha grihinyah santi. Te yantre staha.
Yes. Next person, Kausalya will do. Yes.
Tvam Ishwarah asi.
Can do sandhi.
Ishwarosi.
Okay.
Taha sevikaha santi.
Etaha
sevikaha santi. Yuvam chaturau stha.
Sandhi.
Saha gani.
Etaha sevikaha.
Etaha sevikaha santi.
Huh?
Eta sevikaha santi.
Eta sevika santi.
Sevikaha santi.
How do you get eta? Etas.
It becomes lopaha, Guruji.
It's become lopaha. How does it become lopaha? How does it become lopaha? Anybody? Does anybody know how does visarga of etaha becomes lopaha? Nobody knows, huh? You have seen, right?
preceded by akara and
Is it that? You have the Sandhi chart with you. You see.
no, should it become etas sevika?
No. It should not. In fact,
I have the Sandhi chart.
in fact, what you said is to some extent, it's not right, but it is Visarga will not. Okay, now, Kausalaji, why do you say Visarga will become Lopa? Followed by Sevika, Sakara is Kar letter. Oh, outside Visarga will just become Lopa. If it is Kar letter, only when Hush letter is there, this will happen. Soft consonant is there. So how did you say that Eta? But you said it correctly. Eta is the answer. But how do you get that?
Preceded by
There is no preceded by. Preceded by Ya, followed by what? Then followed by Kar letter. If it is followed by Kar letter, that Ru will become, that Repa will become Visarga only. That's all over. Visarga comes in after that. Visarga followed by Kar letter. You have to replace Visarga by Sakara. Etas Sevika will come. That is not a Sandhi. You have to recollect. Tat Shabda, Eshat Shabda, when it is followed by Hal, then that Visarga will drop. Visarga itself will drop. There is no Ru business here. You have seen that. If you have the Sandhi chart with you, please see that. Yeshaha Balaha, suppose the word is that Yeshaha Balaha. What is Sandhi? Yeshaha Balaha.
Esha balaha.
How you get Yesha Balaha?
No, it drops.
Visarga drops.
Visarga preceded by Ya, followed by Ya, she will say? No.
No.
Because Yeshaha is a form of Etat Shabda. So, if it is a Tat Shabda or Etat Shabda, then form of Etat Shabda, then that is followed by Yahal, then the Visarga will drop. That is the rule we have seen. Yes or no?
Yes, Guruji.
That will apply. So, Yeta Sevika is wrong. And Yeta Sevika is wrong. And Yeta Sevika saying that Visarga replaced by Yakara, that is also wrong. Yetaha is a form of Etad Shabda. The form of the Etad Shabda having Visarga at the end will drop when followed by a consonant, any consonant, Hal. Understand?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Kausalya ji,
Yes, Ji.
you have the Sandhi chart with you?
Yeah, I have it.
So what is the number? Please see the number. Open the Sandhi chart. Please see the number and tell me the number. I also will open.
It's 16.
16. Very good. Okay, let me check. I'm opening it. I'm not sure whether it's 16, but it's different. Here, 21.
Esha and Saha is dropped.
21 in the file.
21.
Okay.
Visarga in Eshaha Saha is dropped.
It's dropped.
Followed by
When
any
followed by
letter.
any letter except
That is why Saha plus Aham, what Sandhi will come? Saha plus Aham. Soham.
Soham.
Saha plus Aham, because there Akara follows, therefore there Visarga will not drop. There what happens, Visarga preceded by Ya, followed by Ya, it is replaced by Ukara, then Guna Sandhi, then O. Then O plus Aham, Pururupa Sandhi, Soham will come, right? So this is, so you have to note this. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Continue. Kausalya ji. Etaha sevikaha santi.
Eta sevika santi.
Good. Okay.
Yuvam chaturau sthaha.
Okay.
Saha Ganeshaha asti.
Please do Sandhi. Interesting here.
Saha sa Ganesh
Ganeshaha plus asti. Ganeshosti. Simple.
Ganeshosti.
Like the previous one only. Ishvarosi.
Ishvarosi.
Like that only. Sa Ganeshosi, that is a Sandhi. Okay.
स
Continue.
गणेशोऽस्ति यूयं कर्मकराः स्थ so
What Sandhi
यूयं
here?
कर्मकरास्थ
Okay.
आवां राष्ट्रभक्तौ स्वः
Okay.
सा लता अस्ति ते निर्धनाः सन्ति एते बालिके स्तः अहं मोहनः अस्मि वयं शूराः स्मः आवां गृहण्यौ स्वः त्वं रमेशः असि so it is त्वं रमेशोऽसि वयं देशभक्ताः स्मः so वयं देशभक्ताः स्मः युवां सेविके स्तः.
Very good. So now you understand, right?
Yes, ji.
Now we'll read the next lesson of the infant reader. We'll continue this Rashtriya Sanskrita Sansthan lesson next class. We will read the Saptamah Pataha Samskrita Baladarshasya Pustake Asti Saptamah Pataha Samskrita Baladarshe Saptamah Pataha 7th lesson. Manjula ji, please start reading.
धेनुः
Please read quickly. Okay. Time not there. Read quickly and loudly. Okay.
Yeah. धेनुः व्याघ्रः
अनम् आहारः वत्सः धनम् उद्यानम् अध्ययनं विद्या पाठालयः.
What linga is that? All this, sir.
क्षीरं ज्ञानं नपुंसकलिङ्ग वत्सः पुल्लिङ्गः धनं नपुंसकलिङ्ग आहारः पुल्लिङ्गः उद्यानं नपुंसकलिङ्ग पाठालयः पुल्लिङ्गः विद्या स्त्रीलिङ्ग
Yes.
अध्ययनं नपुंसकलिङ्ग.
Denuhu, how did you decline?
धेनुः धेनु धेनवः.
Yes. Denuhu, Denu.
धेनवः.
Payam, Yuyam, we know. Yes. Now we read the first sentence.
धेनवः वत्सेभ्यः क्षीरं वितरन्ति.
Asmin Vakye Kriyapadam Putra Asti.
वितरन्ति.
Vitaranti. Kaha Artaha Vitaranti.
वितरन्ति
Distribute.
Dadanti. Yachanti Ityartaha. Gives. Right? T plus Dhatu is Tridhatu. Tarati, Tarataha, Taranti. What is the meaning of Tarati?
To go
Cross over, swim.
To swim, to cross, the meaning. But with the V Upasarga, the meaning changes. Distributes, gives. Ke Vitaranti.
धेनवः
धेनवः वितरन्ति.
Kaha
Kshiram.
Vitaranti. Oh, good. Not K, it's wrong.
Yeah.
Kaha Vitaranti.
क्षीरं वितरन्ति.
No. Kaha Vitaranti.
धेनवः वितरन्ति.
Deno is Strilinga, therefore Denavaha Vitaranti. Ka Vitarati.
धेनु वितरति.
Denuhu Vitarati. Okay. Denuhu अथवा धेनवः किं वितरन्ति?
धेनवः क्षीरं
वितरन्ति.
अतः क्षीर शब्दः अत्र
द्वितीया विभक्ति.
किं कारकं का विभक्तिः किं वचनं?
द्वितीया विभक्ति एक वचनं कर्मकारकम्.
कर्मकारक. So it is कर्मकारकत्वात् तस्य द्वितीया विभक्तिः भवति क्षीर शब्दस्य. धेनवः क्षीरं वितरन्ति. केभ्यः धेनवः क्षीरं वितरन्ति? वत्सेभ्यः. का विभक्तिः? वत्सेभ्यः.
चतुर्थी विभक्ति.
चतुर्थी. किमर्थं चतुर्थी विभक्तिः भवति? अत्र वत्स शब्दः वत्सशब्दस्य चतुर्थी विभक्तिः किमर्थं?
For whom?
For whom?
सम्प्रदानं सम्प्रदानं
सम्प्रदानकारकत्वात्
Yeah.
वत्स शब्दः अत्र सम्प्रदानकारकत्वात् चतुर्थी विभक्तौ भवति. Right? Understand? What is sampradana? Sampradanaकाrakam इति किम्?
The
purpose.
means
Giving
given.
action, receiver.
Recipient of the action, the result of action goes to whom? That is sampradana. Right? You understand? The giving action is done by the karta then. But who is the recipient? Boys, vatsa. They receive milk, therefore they will go in sampradana chaturthi vibhakti. Right? Understand?
Yes.
So vitaranti as the meaning of yachanti, give. That is why vatse behind chaturthi. That's why I told you. Vitaranti meaning is yachanti, dadanti. The beginning itself I told. So therefore vatsa is sampradana chaturthi vibhakti. Understand? Next person, Jyoti ji. Next line.
Vyagrah aharaya bhramyate.
Yes.
Bhramyate is the kriya button. Guruji, it is Brahm Dhatu.
Brahm Dhatu. There are many forms. Brahmyati, Brahmyati, or Brahmati, all mean the same. That Brahm Dhatu is in first gana as well as the which gana? Okay, now you can tell me. Guess.
Fourth.
Fourth conjugation. It is in first conjugation as well as fourth conjugation. First conjugation Brahmati, Brahmataha, Brahmati. Fourth conjugation Brahmyati, Brahmataha, Brahmyati. And the same thing can be in first conjugation, could be Brahmyati, Brahmataha, Brahmyati, also possible. So all these are there. But simply it means wandering, moving around. Kaha Brahmyati?
Vyagrah bhramyate.
Kimartam Brahmyati Vyagraha?
Aharaya bhramyate.
What is Aharaya? Aharaya? Atra Ahara Katasya Kim Karakam?
Aharaya.
Not difficult question.
It is third. Karana.
Really, yeah? Can you decline Ahara Shabda? Let's see.
No, no, Guruji, it is not. Rama, Rama, Rama. Fourth. It is fourth.
Chaturthi vibhakti.
Chaturthi vibhakti.
Aharaya is Ramaya, right? How you speak Kannada? Huh? So, Chaturthi vibhakti Ahara is food. So, what does it mean? Sentence mean?
For food, it is roaming.
It's roaming. So, therefore, its roaming has got a purpose. Yes or no?
Yes.
What is the purpose?
To get food.
Food is the purpose. Therefore, the purpose of action will be in Chaturthi vibhakti. Simple, right?
Yes.
Ahara is a purpose. Ahara is what it seeks. Therefore, that Ahara will be in Chaturthi vibhakti. So, what will be in Chaturthi vibhakti? The recipient of the result of action.
The
And
purpose
the
of
purpose of action will be in Chaturthi vibhakti, right? You know Karaka we have seen?
yes.
Yes. Next this person, Anupama.
बालिकाः अध्ययनाय पाठालयं गच्छन्ति. क्रियापदं बालिकाः गच्छन्ति.
Okay. Then कुत्र गच्छन्ति? किमर्थं गच्छन्ति?
बालिकाः पाठालयं गच्छन्ति, अध्ययनाय गच्छन्ति.
Patalaya is
School.
that's okay. What is the karakam?
Patalayam is
Karmakarakam.
Karmakarakam.
destination place of.
Yes, karma.
Athyayanaya is sampradana. Chaturthi.
Purpose of going to the school is to study. Adhyayana. Adhyayanam. Adhyayana Shabda. Adhyayanaya Chaturthi Bhakti. Right? Kausalya ji, next part.
Balakaha pushpaya udyanam prajanti. Prajanti is a kriyapadam.
What is the meaning? Prajanti?
To go.
To pluck.
Yes. Braj means to move, to go. Okay. Ke Brajanti.
बालकाः
कुत्र किमर्थम्
उद्यानम्
उद्यानम् is complete you have to tell
कर्मकारक
then
पुष्पाय सम्प्रदानकारक
therefore it is chaturthi vibhakti. You yourself take one word and explain. Okay, I don't have to ask. Balakaha prajanti kutra gachanti udyanam gachanti kimartam gachanti pushpaya prajanti. Okay, next person Manjula ji.
Yes, ji. Vayam jalaya nadim gacchamaha. Gacchamaha is kriya padam pradama purusha.
Really?
Pradama purusha.
No,
uttama purusha. Bahuvachanam. So vayam is the pradama vibhakti ekavachanam. Vayam is the noun. Vayam gacchamaha. Vayam kim
kutra gacchamaha.
Kutra gacchamaha. Vayam nadim gacchamaha. Nadim is the karma karakam.
Nadi is a karma karaka. Because it is karma karaka, therefore it is in Vidya Vibhakti. That's what you have to say.
Okay, ji.
Okay. Then what?
Kaya nadim gacchamaha. Jalaya.
Kimartam vayam gacchamaha nadim.
Yeah, jalaya nadim gacchamaha.
Solve. Right? Next one.
Yuyam ashvebhyaha trunam yachatha. Yachata kriya padam madhyama purusha bahuvachanam.
Yes.
Yuyam is the pradama vibhakti bahuvachana padam.
Okay.
Yuyam kim yachata trunam yachata.
Yes.
Trunam kimartham yachata. Kimartham nahi. It is
Kim yachata kebhyaha.
Kebhyaha trunam yachata. Ashvebhyaha trunam yachata.
Yes.
Vayam jnanaya pathamaha. Pathamaha. Kriya padam. It is uttama purushaha bahuvachanam. Vayam patamaha. Vayam
Is for knowledge. So knowledge is a purpose. Therefore, vayam jnanaya patamaha. Now, next person, Jyotish.
Yes, Guruji. Janaha dhanaya deshantaram gachanti. Gachanti gam dhatu prathama purusha bahuvachanam. Janaha gachanti. Janaha is the prathama vibhakti. Janaha gachanti bahuvachanam. Kutra gachanti deshantaram gachanti karma karakam. Kimartham gachanti dhanaya gachanti. Chaturthi vibhakti. Balaha vidyayai dhanam yachanti. Yach dhatu yachanti prathama purusha bahuvachanam. Balaha yachanti. Kim yachanti dhanam yachanti karma karakam. Vidyayai dhanam yachanti chaturthi vibhakti. For vidya dhanam yachanti.
Knowledge for vidya. So that's why it's sampradana. Now, prashnaha. Then anybody can answer. Dhenavaha kebhyaha kshiram vitaranti.
Vatsebhyah kshiram vitaranti.
Vyagraha kimartam paripramati.
Aharaya paripramati.
Balakaha kimartam patalayam gachanti.
Jnanaya patalayam gachanti.
Adhyanaya patanaya. Balikaha kimartam udyanam rajanti.
Pushpaya udyanam gachanti.
Pushpaya. Yuyam kimartam nadim gachataha.
Jalaya.
Jalaya or Sthanaya. Vayam kebhyaha dranam yachamaha.
Ashvebhyah dranam yachamaha.
Yuyam kimartam patata.
Nyayaya patata.
यूयं ज्ञानाय पठितं। जनाः किमर्थं कुत्र गच्छन्ति?
धनाय देशान्तरं गच्छन्ति।
धनाय देशान्तरम्, अन्य देशं, देशान्तरम्, अनदर कंट्री. For what purpose? For money. विद्यायै के किं यच्छन्ति?
विद्यायै बालाः धनं यच्छन्ति।
धनं यच्छन्ति। चतुर्थ्यन्तैः पदैः वाक्यानि पूरयत। अहं डैश तृणम् इच्छामि. What will be that? अहं डैश तृणम् इच्छामि.
धेनुभ्यः
अहं तृणं यच्छामि. केभ्यः तृणं यच्छामि? काभ्यः? धेनु इस् तृणित. काभ्यः?
धेनुभ्यः
दानेभ्यः
धेनुभ्यः
That you have to know. धेनुभ्यः only. You said correctly. काभ्यः? धेनुभ्यः. धेनुः, धेनु, धेनवः, धेनुं, धेनु, धेनुः, धेन्वा, धेनुभ्यां, धेनुभिः, धेन्वै, धेनवे, धेनुभ्यां, धेनुभ्यः. So you have to memorize धेनु शब्द. नृपाः धनं यच्छन्ति. केभ्यः?
कविभ्यः।
कविभ्यः
कविभ्यः. यूयं ग्रन्थान् पठत. किमर्थं?
न्यायाय
ज्ञानाय
ग्रन्थान्।
ज्ञानाय अथवा ज्ञानार्थम् also you can say. But okay, same meaning. लट् रूपैः वाक्यानि पूरयत. छात्राः सायम् आरोग्याय
क्रीडन्ति।
क्रीडन्ति. छात्राः क्रीडन्ति. कदा क्रीडन्ति? सायं, सायंकाले. किमर्थम्? आरोग्याय. आरोग्याय is the purpose. Therefore चतुर्थी विभक्ति, संप्रदान चतुर्थी विभक्ति. बालो हस्ताभ्यां पुस्तकानि डैश
आनयतः
आनयतः द्विवचनं. वयं नेत्राभ्यां वस्तूनि
पश्यामः।
पश्यामः
वस्तूनि is what विभक्ति? द्वितीया विभक्ति
बहुवचनं।
बहुवचनं. द्वितीया विभक्ति बहुवचनं is कर्म. वस्तूनि means objects. And we see with what? What is netrabhyam?
eyes,
चतुर्थी
two eyes.
विभक्ति।
Chaturthi, really? It's for the purpose of eyes, vastus,
No,
objects.
it is tritiya vibhakti.
Karanakaraka. The
Karanaka.
eyes are the means of gaining the knowledge of sight. So vayam netrabhyam vastuni pashyamaha. Okay, we'll stop here. So we have done Saptam of part. A lot of noise, Jyoti. Heavy noise. Some noises are. You have to, when you, the noises are, do mute your mic. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadah.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी।
हरि ओम गुरुजी,
धन्यवादः गुरुजी।
धन्यवादः।
Only four people participate in the class. Others